Hi, my name is Heather Slusser with the University of Wisconsin-Madison Division of Extension, based in Marathon County. Today, I'm going to speak with you about record-keeping basics. The learning objectives for today's presentation are that you will understand the importance of keeping records, you will understand the information that can be learned from keeping accurate records, and that you can identify the different record-keeping systems that can be used. To begin, we will review the financial model. The first step of the financial model begins with records. It begins with collecting and organizing your production and physical information, along with collecting your financial income and expense information. The tool that we use is an accounting system. This accounting system can range from pen and paper to a computer system. Records provide the production and financial information necessary to complete our management reports. This second step or phase of the financial model continues the organizing function and extends what we do into analyzing and reporting of our financial position and financial performance. These are two key and insightful concepts related to the financial strength of our farm business at a point in time or position, and how well the farm business has performed over time, its performance. This insight is captured in our financial statements. Our financial statements include the balance sheet, income statement, statement of cash flows, and the statement of owner equity. The management reports provide us with a historical view or understanding of our farm business's financial position and performance. This provides us a basis from which to plan for the future and to make decisions. We want to understand our financial situation and make decisions considering future profitability, feasibility, and riskability of an idea. To do this, we utilize the production and financial information from our management reports and transform this information through budgets as our tools to help analyze our decisions as to their profitability, feasibility, and riskability. The common budgets include enterprise, partial budgets, and whole farm business budgets. Why do we keep records? Well, we have learned that our records keep track of money. They include how much the farm is making and how much it is spending. We also know that these records include how much the farm owes. Therefore, the simple answer for most farmers is for tax preparation and also for providing information to the lender for a new business loan. As a business owner, you need to be concerned with the long-term viability of your company. A good system of record keeping will allow you to analyze the farm business. With good records, you can determine the farm profitability and financial efficiency. Financial analysis tells us, compared to others in the industry, how we are doing. Compared to high achievers in the industry, how are we doing? It can determine the strengths and the weaknesses of our business. We can also set business goals and determine if we are meeting them. We can also measure business progress. Financial analysis also allows us to make management decisions. We should care about financial analysis because it is what lenders require to do business. Financial analysis is needed to help and assist your management efforts. It is what you need to aid you in where your business time should be spent and in making wise and informed management decisions. More importantly, keeping the farm economically viable will allow you to enjoy the lifestyle you wish for years to come. Records can also be used in future decision making. Records allow you to make decisions based on actual or projected performances. Keeping accurate records can help you answer the following questions. How much income did I make last year on my farm? What is my farm business worth? Is my wealth growing? I would like to expand my operation. Should I? What will I need to get financing? Can I meet cash needs when bills come due? Let's now look at different ways that we can keep records, since we understand that records are an important necessity on the farm. Probably the simplest method is the Shoebox Method. With this method, you place all farm receipts in a shoebox or other box of your choosing. The disadvantage of this system is that there is no organization. This system lacks accumulative totals at the end of the year. While it saves you time in the beginning, it costs you time in the long run, as you have to sort through all receipts before they become useful. This system also has the possibility of missing information. For example, what if a receipt gets lost or forgotten or doesn't even make it to the box? The second system that can be used to keep records is a checkbook. This system is simple and inexpensive. Hand calculations are prone to math errors though, so this is one disadvantage. This method also does not track assets and liabilities. When using this method, it is important to make sure you are keeping a separate farm checkbook and a separate home or family checkbook, so expenses do not get crossed. You can also use a farm record book that is available from your local extension office. These books allow you to organize your expenses and income and keep track of them more than a checkbook or shoebox method of record keeping. Excel spreadsheets are the next time of record keeping system. With this system, we have now jumped from hand-kept records to computerized records. Computerized records give us more power to analyze our business. Excel spreadsheets are organized and very specific to your business. However, you have to design the spreadsheet, so it requires some familiarity with Excel. A computer software program can generate reports of the information you have inputted. Many have customer support services. Not all are farm-friendly though. Some have to be tricked into working out farm problems. There is a time investment to learn how to use the program. Many have an expense for the license to use the product. Work with your accountant or tax preparer to find a system that works with them or a system that they are using and are familiar with. The final system for record keeping is outsourcing. This system leaves more time for management of the farm operations. However, there is a cost involved with this system, and you may need to check on the timeliness of receiving the information from the hired person. Keep in mind that record keeping is part of the financial model. We begin with records, so it is important to make sure that we spend time on collecting detailed, accurate records that represent the true accounting of the farm. The old adage that garbage in equals garbage out fits this situation optimally. Keep in mind that what you put into your records will ultimately determine the information that you use for making decisions. So information left out of your records could lead you to faulty decision making.